It is now becoming increasingly evident that Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi is likely to miss the BJP National Executive Meet once again, as the BJP is expected to give its nod for an amendment to the party constitution allowing Nitin Gadkari to have a second term as party president, and Modi's absence will only underscore the friction between these two leaders.
He is one of the most respected chief ministers, known for his initiatives towards development in Gujarat, a leader widely respected in the BJP, a leader seen by some as a prime ministerial candidate of the BJP, an icon of the party, but he will not attend the BJP's National Executive Meet to be held in Mumbai.
Whether it is the issue of second term as president for Nitin Gadkari or the induction of his Betnoy Sanjay Joshi as the General Secretary, Modi clearly wants the BJP to read his lips. Skipping second national executive is the strongest message yet from the Gujarat strongman that things are not at all fine between him and the party high command.
He has already missed the national executive the last year, this time around, and virtually boycotted all BJP meetings over the last year. But it is the reintroduction of this leader into the party fold, Sanjay Joshi, a decision taken by Gadkari that's widened the rift. And he is also unhappy with the second term to the party chief. But if Modi boycotts the big BJP meet later this month, can the party afford to look away, given that it's already dealing with crisis in Rajasthan and Karnataka? And can it afford another standoff involving one of its tallest leaders? With Abhishek, Avideep Das for Times Now.